This is the fruit of labor of Sir Jano Katekista and Ma'am Mary Chris Aratina. This house size by 20 by 28 feet, 560 square feet or katumbas na 52 square meter. Mayroon po itong 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Hello everyone, it's me again, Randy Yero. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. Samahan niyo po ako at panoorin po natin ang pinagawang bahay nila ni Sir at Ma'am. At baka ito na po ang disenyo ng bahay na gusto niyo rin pong gayahin at ipapagawa. This is the perspective plan ng bahay or disenyo ng bahay na ginaya po nila. This house building started on November 2022 at natapos po ito noong January 2023. Located at Mabini, Davao de Oro, Philippines. Ito po pala sila ni Sir at Ma'am. Sila po talaga ang nag-supervise upang may pagawa po ng maayos ang pinapagawa nilang bahay. Uncle po ni Ma'am ang gumawa at nagkontrata nitong bahay mula umpisa hanggang makapagbubong ito. Steel trusses installation. Installation, roofing. Gumamit po sila dito ng long span. Chocolate brown po ang napili nila ni Sir at Ma'am para sa bubong ng kanilang bahay. Start finishing or plastering nito. Installation, swing and sliding windows. Installation, ceiling. Gumamit po sila dito ng paring at saka hardiplex. Ito naman po ang pag-install ng tiles para po sa kitchen nito. Gumamit po sila dito ng slab na granite. start painting of the house inside and outside. Ito naman po pala ang first baby nila ni Sir at Ma'am. Nang simula na rin po sila gumawa ng fence nitong bahay. Itong bahay ay may sukat na 20 by 28 feet, 560 square feet or katumbas na 52 square meter. Mayroon po itong 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Itong bahay po ay located at Mabini, Davao de Oro, Philippines. Congratulations again to Sir at Ma'am Mary Chris Aratina and Sir Jano Katakista. Ito na po ang fully furnished nitong bahay. Samahan niyo po ako at panoorin po natin at tingnan po natin ang loob nito. Itong bahay ay sinimulan noong November last year at natapos po ito nitong January 2023 hanggang makapag-blessing. Muli po akong nagpapasalamat kay Sir at Ma'am sa pag-share ng pinagawa nilang bahay, katas na kanilang pinaghirapan for inspirational at idea po para sa lahat. God bless and more power. Building the house, it cost of 1.2 million pesos or katumbas na 24,000 US dollar with labor. Congratulations again to Sir Jano Katekista and Ma'am Mary Chris Aratina from Mabini, Davao de Oro, Philippines.